Hi there fellow Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to KnowHow, where we dive deep into all things Excel and data manipulation. I am super excited to share with you a powerful tool that will revolutionize the way you approach developing standard operating procedures checklist in Excel. As professionals, we all know how crucial it is to have well-structured SOP checklists to streamline our workflows and ensure consistency in our process. With the magic of checkboxes and the art of conditional formatting, we will create dynamic and interactive SOP checklists that will not only easy to use but also visually engaging. So if you are ready to take your Excel skills to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's dive right in. So the first step is the setting up your Excel file ready. So I have taken this Excel file in which I have different steps for texture analyzer instrument. I have listed all the important steps for running this instrument, and in front of each step I want to put a checkbox. For this purpose, first I have to enable the developer tab. I'll go to the file, then more, then options. In the options I will select the customize ribbon and then select the developer and press OK. Now your developer tab is very next to the view tab. I will go to this developer tab, then I will click the insert, and then from the form I will select this checkbox. I will put this checkbox in the first step and then adjust it in this cell. After adjusting it, I will right click on it and then go to the edit text and then delete the text that is written next to it. I will just copy this and paste it in all the cells. After pasting, I will select all the checkboxes. Then I will go to the shape format and then under the align, I will set it to distribute horizontally, and in the next step I will distribute it vertically. And now your checkboxes are set in your cells. Now the next step is to link these checkboxes to a cell. For this purpose, I will right click on the first cell and then go to the format control, and then in the cell link I will select the path very next to this cell. You can choose any place in your worksheet and then click OK. I will do this for all the cells. So once you completed linking all the cells with these checkboxes, you can see the value of each checkbox as true or false in front of that column. Because these true and false are not visually required, so I select them and then the color of the font is changed to white. The next step is to calculate the progress. For this purpose, I'll write equal count if bracket start and then select all the cells, comma. In inverted commas I will write true, bracket is close, and press enter. So now you can see that as I click any checkbox, the number is counted in this box. Now I am going to convert this progress into percentage. For this purpose I am going to edit this formula. I will divide it on the total number of steps, that is 8, and then multiply it with 100 and press enter. So now you can see that the progress is calculated in terms of percentage. Now I am going to take it to the next level by applying conditional formatting to show progress bar. I will select this progress percentage cell and then go to the conditional formatting, and here I will select this new rule. When I click the conditional formatting, a new formatting rule window opens. Here I will select the data bar, and now I will select the minimum as number and maximum also as number. The minimum number is 0 and maximum number is 100. I can also choose any color, and after choosing the color I will press OK. So now you can see that the progress is calculated in terms of percentage. And there you have it, your very own SOP checklist developed using checkboxes and conditional formatting in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial both informative and inspiring. By incorporating these techniques into your workflow, you can significantly boost productivity, minimize errors, and make the entire process much more enjoyable. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. If you have any question and suggestion for future video, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and creating content that caters to your needs. Before we say goodbye, be sure to share this video with your Excel lovers, colleagues, and anyone you want to level up their data management skills. Until next time, happy excelling.